Presenting Lapster 5-in-1 Multifunction Laptop Cleaning Brush. This keyboard cleaning kit is a simple key puller, which ensures that change of keycap is no longer laborious. These special selections of nylon brush have moderate softness and hardness, 3-row design with high pore strength, good elasticity, stiffness and compactness, more labor-saving friction. The flocking sponge can clean the dust in the wireless charging case of the earphone. The high-density brush can clean the dirt on the sound outlet hole of the earphone, and the metal pen tip can clean the stubborn dust. The 5-in-1 laptop cleaning brush kit comes with nylon bristles, flocking sponge, high-density brush, metal pen tip and keycap puller. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For EMI options,